Hello friends, welcome to the Intron YouTube channel and learning session of learning Python with the Intron. In this video, we will see how we can convert one data type to the other. So let's start with one example. So I am here declaring one variable called as var1 and I am giving it value as 10.2. Now let's check its data type by using the type function. Type of var1 we are doing here, and here is our output. It tells us that we have used the float data type. What in the case if you want to change this var1 to integer value? So we can do like print int of var1, and here we go with our output. You can also do it by assigning value. Here I am creating one more variable var equal to int of var1 we are creating here, and now let's print our var. So here is our output, that is 10. Now let's check the data type of var by using the type function. So here is our data type, that is int. Similar way you can do for converting integer values to the float values. So let's check. So as we know, var value is 10. Now let's convert it into the float value. So what we can do, print float of var we can do here. And here is our output that we have got as 10.2. So this is the basic way to convert one data type into the other. Thank you. Keep learning.